All right, it's time for some videos, some tutorial videos to show you guys how to use some of the cool Red Labs features I've been building over the last few years. One of them I want to start with is just some basics, right, on the Twitch stream teams. So with Red Labs, you can create a Twitch stream team. So usually what the people that are going to use this are like DJs um, or other streamers that take part in Twitch raid trains. So that's kind of what the stream team is. You've got a bunch of streamers that get together and they want to share information, they want to plan events together, that kind of thing. So that's really what Red Labs offers in a Twitch stream team. Okay. So if that rings your bell, if that makes you giddy and excited, then stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to use that. So the first thing you want to do if you want to create your stream team is go to redlabs.com or 3dlabs.com. It's a totally free site. I've been building it myself. I am the coder. I am the nerd that has ADHD so bad he needs like a hobby of coding outside of his normal coding job. I'm just insane. So please support my insanity by using this site. I really love it. I joke around, but I have so much fun. So all we do is hit that red button at the top there. And we're not going to create a train event today. We can do a video on that later, but click the Create Stream Team button. Creating a stream team is so easy. You just need two things. So pick a name for your team. I'm gonna call this a super cool team. Okay, and notice it tries to grab an address and it tells me that's available. It replaces spaces with dashes, that kind of thing. So feel free to put special characters in your team name, but they'll be pulled out for your URL. And for a description, just you need to enter 25 characters. That's about it. So I'm just going to say this is a cool, super cool team, and I like it a lot. There you go. So in this description, you can even, bold it, italic, all that. You can even make it a link. So if I just select this text here, click the link button. Let's say you have like a link to a OneDrive somewhere or a Google Doc spreadsheet. Just you can put your links right here in the description, and everybody can get to it. Of course, I'm just going to link to redlabs.com. All right, hit submit. And now we're at our cool team page. Look at that. Look at that. We don't have any events yet, no announcements. So let's go ahead and jump right in and talk about inviting people. Okay. It's no fun to be on a one-man wolf pack, right? You don't want to be on a team all by yourself. So hit your little cog icon over here to the right. Manage members. And let's talk about the two different ways you can invite people to your team. Okay, there's this huge blast radius way up here. You have an invite link. Okay, you can send this link to anybody you want. Just paste it in your Discord or send it out email, whatever. Anybody who uses this link to get to your team will be invited to join your team. Okay, so treat that carefully. Now, there's also if you go down here, we see click to send invites. This is more of a one-to-one. So you know of somebody. They have to also be on Red Labs already. So they have to be a registered user on Red Labs. And you just type their name. So I'm just going to use this cool guy I know named Mr. Redliner Test. And there we go. Okay. And then we hit send invite. Oh, but do you notice? Do you notice the role drop down? Did you ask yourself what the F is that? So let's talk about that real briefly. There's 3 different roles that your users can have. Okay, this is a cool part about the Red Labs teams is they can be a member, which is kind of just basically a contributor. So these are the streamers that you want to join your team and take part in your events. They cannot modify your team in any way. Event managers. Okay, an event manager can create events, associate them with your team, and then manage those events. Right. From there, we have the team manager. So team manager is essentially just like an owner of the team. They have full permissions to manage everything about the team, except they cannot disband the team and they cannot sign up for the premium service. So there's a premium upgrade I'll show you here in a minute, but they can't do that. Only the owner can. All right, so then we just hit send invite, and boom, we see that we've got this little yellow icon here that says Mr. Redliner Test has been invited. They will then receive an email And in the email, we'll have a link. They'll just click that link, and boom, there they go. They're done. Also, I need to stop saying boom. I feel like I say it every other word. All right, click close. Now, a couple more things about a team that make um, your life easy, right? Shared files. Let's talk about shared files. What do you think this is? If you had to guess, shared files. Nailed it. All right. So all you need to do is you can pull up, file browser. Let's see. I'm just going to upload a little something something file. What do I want to? Let's just do this one. Just a little logo I was playing with for something. And there you go. It's been uploaded. And now all of your teammates can download that file. Event managers and team managers and the owner can modify files, meaning they can upload files to this or delete files, whatever. Contributors, just the regular members, can only download them. Okay. So just remember that. Notice the storage limit. You get 10 megabytes on the free plan. So if you start using this shared files feature a lot, you'll be capped at 10 megs, or it's like 9.7 or something. If you want more, you can get up to 10 gigabytes if you upgrade the team, and as well as some other cool little features, right? And that'll run you $5 a month. I don't think it's too pricey. I think it's good. Help support Red Labs. This thing costs a ton to run, and I'm not making any money on it. So please just use it. Okay. What else? Let's talk followers. Okay. You can click here on the followers button and it'll show you who is following your team. So as you start advertising your team out there on your channels, your follower list will grow and you can just kind of see who all is following you. Anybody who is a follower of your team will also be notified. Now, listen, this is very important because it helps your viewers. If you have raid train events associated with your team, so if you create a team and associate it, if you create an event and you associate it with your team, they will all be email notified. So any followers will be notified when your event starts. So that will boost viewership. And we have actually seen it and have proof that it does boost your viewership because people are reminded, oh, yeah, I like this team. I'm going to jump on. So be sure if you do create a stream team that you promote it. Try to get people in there, tell your viewers about it, have them hit that follow button. I think the last thing just to show you is you can just put a cool image on here. Pretty simple stuff. Well, let's upload an image. And of course, I did an animated image and got you guys all excited that you could do that. You can't do that. Not right now. Maybe I'll add an upgrade to let the animation kind of spin. I don't know why it strips the animation out. So, but yeah, so you can upload any image you want and pop it there, and that will be your team icon. All right, let me show you one final thing is any team members that you have, you go to my profile, you'll see that they have a call out to your new team on their user profiles. So this is just kind of a cool way for people just to kind of show, the teams that they support and that kind of stuff. It also adds links to your team and things like that. So this is all Google search indexable too. So Google picks these up and ranks you. So if you spend time in here, if you give a good description, and you have a good amount of members, maybe some cool links, this helps SEO, right? Okay, everybody, thank you so much. I think that's team basics. There are some more advanced features for teams we can talk about some other time, but I think that about does it for today. Thanks so much for being here and watching this video. Also, please consider using Red Labs for planning your next Twitch raid train. Again, I've been planning this or building this site for years, and it makes my day every time I see someone else using it. So thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.